Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to paint the building that we're working on, similar to these I've made before. Now I like the grey colour, and in the next episode I'm going to show you guys how to decorate. I'm going to try floorboards, which is going to be pretty radical in my opinion. But yeah, looking forward to this one. Now we're moving on to my first one I made, technically my second. This is like with the methods I'm using now. So I've got some fabricated furniture in there. We will learn how to make our own. So we'll get started on the painting. First, get some black paint and just completely cover it. So start off with a large brush, because the large brush will just cover more ground. We are going to be switching to other smaller brushes because as this work continues, you're going to need to, switch around. And remember, have an entire tube of black paint as you work on this little part. Because this part takes arguably the longest, because you got to get it right. But yeah. But you got to go everywhere. So as you can see, I've sort of switched to a slightly smaller brush in this sped up version. So super fast Tim is working hard. Back to the large brush again. And yeah. Okay, so now that you've completely covered it, but first, super fast Tim's just fixing all the little unpainted areas. You're going to want to leave this to dry for a while. So, probably leave it for a good weekend like I did, and I went on a bit of adventure. Here we go. That was fun. Okay, let's get back to work. So, get some white paint, as you can see right there. Thank you, Dum Dum. Then some dark paint. I went with Payne's Grey. And a large paintbrush. That's the only paintbrush that you need for this part. So start pouring out all the paint. Oh great, finally he's done it. Yep. Okay, next he's going to get the dark paint, Payne's Grey. And mix that together. And just lightly brush it onto the surface. Like that. Gives that nice real effect. We are going to go over this with some detail. So we're going to be adding some, as I said earlier, some floorboard, some moss, and some furniture to make my character of Tim Bozar, the brush wizard, feel like he's actually moved into someone's crypt and he's just turned it into a nice comfortable home. So we're going to add some wooden supports on the makeshift chimney and fireplace. And yeah, well, until next time everyone, you can enjoy the rest of this. And, and hopefully, you guys can follow me on Instagram at tims_creepy_art. And, DM me some of the projects that you're working on, But yeah, until next time everyone, stay creepy, and I hope you enjoyed this episode.